important news for your consideration. Whether it's you, your daughter, your granddaughter, a friend, take a listen. Greetings. This is Dr. Rahman from Black Women's Health Podcast. And this podcast is being generated because of a recent health article that was read, and it's about the testing of medications and including pregnant women in clinical trials. This is a very important development as things have changed. It used to be that pregnant women who were nursing their babies, were not included in clinical research because of the concern that their newborn, baby in utero, might be affected. And this decision was based on past experience. There have been drugs which have been used, which had negative effects on offspring. And I am thinking of thalidomide. Thalidomide was initially offered to pregnant women for treatment of a common complaint in early pregnancy, that of morning sickness. Women who took the medication in early pregnancy, between 2 to 6 weeks of pregnancy, delivered babies with abnormalities which were due to thalidomide. And I'm thinking of diethylstilbestrol, DES, medication prescribed to pregnant women to help prevent miscarriages. Later to be discovered that the offspring were at a higher risk of developing cancer. And so giving medication to pregnant women is a big deal. And whether pregnant women should be included in clinical trials is a big deal. And after the debacle with thalidomide and DES, the decision was made that pregnant women who are nursing, should not be in clinical trials because of the possible risk of birth defects. The tide has changed, and now the recommendation is that pregnant women who are nursing should be included. And we're going to talk about this. You need to be aware. You need to consider the possibilities. You need to know what is going on. And I will spend the next couple of weeks just talking about what was, what is now being proposed, the limitations, for your consideration. And it's important that you think about this, whether it's you specifically, or your daughter, or your granddaughter, or a friend of a friend. It is worth consideration. So stay tuned as we talk about drugs, clinical trials, pregnant women, nursing women. Should they be exposed? Stay tuned. This is Dr. Rahman.